What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the right target audience that will allow you to eventually scale up to $1,000 days. What if you can make $1,000 a day with Facebook ads, right? How would that change your life? How would that change your business? The key is to getting it in front of the right people, getting the right message in front of the right audience. We're going to step behind the screen and show you exactly how you can scale your business to a ridiculous amount by getting it in front of the right people. Make sure to subscribe, drop content every single day, and let's dive in.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Best way to make $1,000 with Facebook advertisement is your targeting. We have to get your ads in front of the right people so that way you can make sure that your ads are profitable, and then you can scale from $1,000 to $2,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 as much as you want in profit, because it's a profitable campaign. Now, where most people go wrong is their targeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the targeting for my actual Facebook advertisement campaigns. Now, what I do is I have the Power Editor open, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the ad sets. Now, what's within an ad set? Within an ad set, and guys, basically, there's three parts to a Facebook ad. Number one is your campaign. Your campaign is your objective. Do you want video views? Do you want clicks? Do you want website visits? Do you want app downloads? Whatever you want. Do you want more reach, brand awareness, right? Whatever you want. The next step is creating an audience, right? So I want to show you guys something. Based off of my different audiences, I have cost per clicks, right? So this one was $1.52 per click. This one was $1.67 per click. This one was $1.37 per click, and this one was $1.14 per click, right? Now I'm going to show you guys how you guys can, if we look in the background, like if we look at all the stats, why were some of those low cost per clicks, right? They were low cost per clicks because of the click-through rate. Now, what is a click-through rate? A click-through rate is the percentage of times people click through your ad when it's displayed on somebody's newsfeed. So 2.22% means out of 100 people, 2.22 people click my ad. So every time I had 1,000 impressions, right? 1,000 people saw it, was displayed in front of 1,000 people. Out of those 1,000 people, 22 people clicked it, right? That's what it means. So with that being said, how do we get it in front of the right people so that way we have a high click-through rate, a low cost per click, and a profitable Facebook ad, right? Now we're gonna simply just go over the audience, right? Now the way you make money with Facebook ads is by getting your message across and in front of the right people, right? So just to kind of show you guys behind the scenes of my advertisement campaigns, we're gonna dig right in, right? So this one was $1.37. Now, depending on who your audience is, you need to know who your avatar is. My avatar is anyone from 21 to 35 years old who is in the US, Canada, or Australia, who is basically struggling in their affiliate marketing business, and they're looking to succeed or looking to get results. So the message that I'm going to be writing is going to be for them, and those are the type of people that I'm going to be trying to target. So in order to target that person who's 21 to 35 years old, who's struggling in their affiliate marketing business, what you do is you go to different likes and interests, right? So if you go to edit, I always start my audiences at $5 a day, right? Now, what's most important is not how much you're spending, but this right here, right? Your audience details. So first you have to figure out, right, where's the location? So United States, Canada, Australia. Perfect. I told you the age, 21 and 35. Are you going to do men and women? Is your product catered towards men, or is your product catered towards women, or is it catered towards both? Which is going to give you the best return on your investment? Now, English, right? So English people. Now what I did, because I'm looking for affiliate marketers, first thing that I did, right, a trick that I do, so I picked a very broad audience, so 1 million, 1.5 million, 3.4 million. So this was a really broad audience. Content marketing, search engine marketing, social marketing. And then I narrowed it down, or actually no, digital marketing, online advertising. So look, 36 million, 54 million, 14 million, right? Social media marketing. Then what I did is I narrowed it down to internet marketers, right? Which made my audience much lower. Amy Portfield, Frank Kern, Mike Dillard, Neil Patel, Ryan Dees, Tim Ferriss. Now, depending on your niche, right, you can do the same thing. Let's just say your niche was health and wellness and you're doing fitness. What you could do is you could start broad by doing fitness, working out, just to show you, right? Fitness. So fitness is a broad one. I'm just going to show you just the, so actually fitness, we can do working out. Physical exercise, workout at the gym, that one's not good. Working women, no. So sports and outdoors. So guys, you simply figure out broad interests, right, that your avatar will be congruent with, meaning they're going to like this type of stuff. They're going to interact with these type of pages on Facebook because these are what they like and this is what they're interested in. Next comes the actual, the next thing. You want to go ahead and make it more narrowed down. So you're simply going to go ahead and press the narrow further button, and you're going to pick different options, which would make this audience a lot smaller. Now, ideally, right, potential reach 670,000 people, right? If we look, I narrowed it down to 72,000 people because there's a couple things that I did, right? You always want to edit your placements. So in this instance, right, I did desktop only because I'm looking for people to download a sales funnel, and then I'm doing news feeds only, right? So that's an example of my targeting. And then I'm also looking for my campaign objective. I'm doing cost per click. So when you get charged, cost per clicks. What are my two options? Impressions or cost per clicks. I'm going to do cost per clicks. And delivery type standard, right? So let's look at audience number 2, right? Audience number 2 was much higher. So this one didn't perform as well. So if we look at the audience, right, the audience was affiliate marketing. Now, why am I getting $1.67? Because it's very broad. I only did one thing. I literally just targeted people who are interested in affiliate marketing. So if you guys notice, you're going to get better results, a lower cost per click, when you guys have much more specified audiences. When you do more likes and interested, they have to like this, but also like this. You're going to be literally narrowing down to that ideal person because you're not just having a broad audience like affiliate marketing here. Now let's look at this one at $1.52, right? If we want to edit, this one's currently edit. So what I did was I was looking for network marketers. So remember I told you I'm targeting people who are failing in affiliate marketing. So in this one I did small business owners, home business, business, entrepreneurship, small business, right? 21 to 35, English speakers, men only, US, Canada, Australia. But why isn't it performing as well? Is because I did these guys who are more so network marketing. Network marketing pro Eric Worre, Robert Kiyosaki, Zig Ziglar. So I wanted to see if I could target network marketers and see if I can get results. But what it shows is I'm not getting the best results that I can, right? So next, audience number 4. This was the winner of the 4, and this is the one that I kept running, right? So we're going to go to edit, $1.14, right? So literally, I scaled it to $20 a day. And basically, United States, Canada, Australia, 21 to 35, US, English. Now what I did is I simply did Facebook page admins. Then I did Frank Kern, Mike Dillard, Neil Patel, so those are internet marketers. And then I scaled it, I narrowed it even further. So you press this button to online marketing, digital marketing manager, and digital marketing strategist. If you look, it's a much smaller audience, 48,000 people. But because it's way more specific, I was getting $1.14 per click. So I'm able to spend less money to get more results. So that's the objective, guys. How to make $1,000 a day, how to make, or not $1,000 a day, but how to make $1,000, how to make $2,000, how to make $3,000. You simply have to learn how to get your advertisement in front of the right people. Then and only then will you get results on your Facebook advertisement, and then and only then will you start profiting, right? At the end of the day, you could have the best Facebook ad, you could have the best image, but if you're not getting it in front of the right people, you will not get results within your Facebook advertisement. So with that being said, learn how to get your advertisement in front of the right people, and the sky is the limit. You can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. I've made well over 6 figures when it comes to advertisement because I've learned how to sell, right, and give compelling messages, but getting it in front of the right people. Until you learn how to get your advertisement in front of the right people, you will not succeed. And one key takeaway that you should do or understand is that you shouldn't just be doing one audience. You should be testing multiple audiences, and then once you find the winner audience, you simply take off the rest, right? Shut them off, and then you scale the winner ad. That's going to be the profitable ad for you. That's going to be the ad that helps you take your business to the next level. Now make sure you subscribe if you did grab any value. Drop a comment below of if you had any key takeaways and if there's any future videos that you'd like me to cover. Somebody said, Eric, how do you target? Who do you put? What is your exact targeting? I literally showed you my up and running campaigns. This isn't like a fake campaign that I created. No, those are campaigns that I'm running right now and I'm testing and tweaking, right? So drop a comment below if you'd like for me to create a video, or if you're struggling with somebody. I can't help people one-on-one, but I can help the masses, right? That's what this is about. Make sure you subscribe. I drop videos every single day. Every day, every day, every day. And I appreciate you so freaking much. I do have some goodies for you below, to where there's like free ebooks, there's free trainings, a free funnel. There's a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of freebies in the description below. Grab access to those. There are links that will give you access to those goodies, and that will help you within your business, your affiliate marketing business, your internet marketing business, and all of the above. I appreciate you so much. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you at the top.